Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem where Windows 11 can't open .exe files or program setup files. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our method 1, you just have to simply restart your Windows Explorer and try again. Now sometimes the Windows get stuck and stop launching the installer. For that, you can either press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key together on your PC or laptop, or you can right click on the taskbar, then click on the option of Task Manager. So once you are here inside Task Manager, you just have to make sure that you are in the Processes tab. Here it is going to show you all of the programs that are basically running in the background. So here you just have to look for Windows Explorer in the list. When you are able to find it, simply right click on it, then click on the option of restart. So what this is going to do is this is going to basically restart your PC, and then you can try opening the exe file again, and this quick fix works a lot. In the second method, you just have to simply check if the antivirus or the Windows security is blocking anything. For that, you just have to come inside the settings of your device. In your settings, simply go to the Windows security option. Over here in the security option, you just have to look for the virus and the threat protection. So here, look for the option of protection history. If you see the exe file blocked here, simply allow if only if it is a trusted program. Also, open the app and web browser control. Over here too, you just have to check if the smart screen is blocking the application. If smart screen shows a warning, you just have to click on the option of more info and select the option of run anyway, only for the safe installers that you trust. Now in the next method, you just have to basically fix the .exe association using registry. So the exe file that you are trying to open, you just have to basically open it. After that, you just have to look for that it is not opened in the wrong application, or do not open it at all. It means that the file association is broken. So in this case, you can simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. When you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you just have to simply type a command here which is called regedit. Then you need to hit OK. Now when you see the files in front of you, you just have to go to the HKey classes root file. Make sure that you make it default value in the .exe file. After that, you just have to make sure that the default value shows you the %1%, and this restores the correct exe launching system. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to easily fix the exe set of files if these are not working in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.